Gentlemen, there's one fruit sitting quietly in your kitchen right now that might be silently sabotaging your testosterone, clogging your arteries, and weakening your erections. You'd never expect it. And yet, I see its effects in my clinic almost every week. I'm Dr. Nora Hayes, a urologist specializing in men's health, with 7 years of experience helping older men reclaim their vitality, strength, and bedroom confidence. And today, I want to share a truth most men never hear. Not all fruits are good for aging men. Some fruits quietly spike estrogen, inflame blood vessels, and destroy nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for strong, lasting erections. And other humble fruits? They can restore blood flow, awaken testosterone, and bring energy and intimacy back naturally. Stick with me until the end of this video because the last fruit I'll share has helped some of my patients reverse years of erectile decline in just a few weeks. But before we dive in, if you're serious about maintaining energy, circulation, and confidence after 60, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the bell. And if this topic speaks to you, type 1 in the comments below. And if not, type 0 so I can serve you better next time. Let's start with the 4 fruits that could be quietly undermining your health and manhood. 1. Grapes, a hidden testosterone trap. You probably think grapes are harmless, small, juicy, antioxidant-packed. What could go wrong? Here's the problem. Commercially grown grapes are often sprayed with pesticides that act like estrogen in the male body. These are called xenoestrogens. Over time, they compete with your natural testosterone, and that can lead to lowered libido, belly fat, prostate swelling, softer, weaker erections. One of my patients, Alan, 67, thought grapes were helping him control his blood pressure. He was eating 2 handfuls daily, non-organic. Within 3 weeks of removing them and focusing on low estrogen fruits, he reported firmer mornings, more energy, and improved confidence. Not all grapes are bad, but if you're over 60 and eating them every day, especially in juice form, they might be quietly harming your hormones. 2. Canned fruit cocktails, the senior sweet trap. Those colorful little cups look harmless and convenient, right? Especially for breakfast. But here's the catch. Most canned fruit sits in high fructose corn syrup or concentrated fruit juice. That sugar spike hits your bloodstream, raises insulin, inflames arteries, and destroys nitric oxide. Your erections? Softer. Your energy? Gone. I had a patient, Raymond, 72, who ate these cups daily for over a decade. He struggled with fatigue, brain fog, and low sexual desire. Once he switched to fresh, low-sugar fruits, his energy returned and his bedroom confidence slowly recovered. Even no-sugar-added versions can be misleading. The fruit may be bleached, stripped of fiber, and chemically preserved. So those cute cups, they may be secretly sabotaging your health. 3. Bananas. Sweet but sneaky. Bananas are convenient, soft, and popular. But for men over 60, especially those struggling with energy or sexual performance, they can be harmful. Here's why. Bananas are high in simple sugars. That sugar spike raises insulin and, over time, lowers testosterone. Plus, bananas affect serotonin production. Too much serotonin at the wrong time can leave you emotionally flat or drained. Several of my patients noticed lower drive, softer morning erections, and emotional fatigue after eating banana-heavy breakfasts. Not every man reacts the same way, but it's worth paying attention if you notice these symptoms. 4. Dried fruits, raisins, dates, and the silent hormone killers. Dried fruits may seem innocent, but a single cup of raisins has more sugar than a soda. Without the fiber of fresh fruit, sugar hits your bloodstream fast, insulin spikes, and testosterone takes a sharp dip. Many dried fruits are also preserved with sulfites or coated in oils that can interfere with zinc absorption, a key mineral for testosterone, sperm quality, and erectile strength. I've seen men snack on dates, thinking they're making a healthy choice, only to realize their testosterone recovery overnight was being sabotaged. Now that we've covered the fruits that harm, let's flip the script. Here are 4 fruits I personally recommend to men over 60 that can awaken circulation, restore testosterone, and bring vitality back. 1. Pomegranate, the king of circulation. Pomegranate is packed with antioxidants called punicolagens that improve blood vessel health and nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is crucial for erections because it relaxes blood vessels, letting blood flow where it's needed most. One patient started drinking pomegranate juice daily and within 30 days reported firmer mornings, better stamina, and more energy. No pills, no supplements, just natural vascular support from a fruit. 2. Kiwi, the testosterone citrus. Kiwi is small but powerful, High in vitamin C, it protects testosterone-producing cells from oxidative stress. Kiwi also contains actinidin, an enzyme that improves nutrient absorption. 2 kiwis a day can improve sleep, lower stress hormone levels, and support emotional well-being, all of which are essential for energy and intimacy. 3. Watermelon, nature's Viagra. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, which converts into L-arginine in your body, boosting nitric oxide. The result? Better blood flow, stronger erections, and improved stamina. Many men over 60 who eat watermelon daily report firmer morning erections and more energy throughout the day. Blend it fresh, eat slices, and don't discard the rind. It contains the highest concentration of L-citrulline. 4. Blueberries, the hormone shield. Small but mighty, blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, plant compounds that protect testosterone, blood vessels, and even brain health. They fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support mental clarity, all key for confidence and intimacy. Half a cup of blueberries in your morning yogurt or smoothie can improve focus, restore drive, and help you feel physically and mentally alive. Here's how to put these lessons into practice. Remove the offenders: grapes, non-organic, canned fruit, bananas, dried fruits. Add the heroes: pomegranate, kiwi, watermelon, blueberries. Daily consistency, small portions each day add up. Even 15 to 20 minutes of focused dietary planning can have huge effects. Observe results: energy, sleep, morning firmness, and mood will improve within weeks. Remember, your body is still capable of strong circulation, robust testosterone, and vibrant energy. Age doesn't change that. Gentlemen, this isn't about perfection. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. Small changes in diet can restore confidence, energy, and intimate vitality. You deserve to feel alive, strong, and capable, even after 60. If this video helped you, like it, comment below, where are you watching from, and share it with someone who might benefit. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more tips on aging with energy, confidence, and dignity. Remember, age isn't the end of vitality. With the right choices, your body can recover strength, circulation, and testosterone naturally. One bite at a time, one decision at a time, you can reclaim the energy, health, and confidence you deserve.